Mr. Pauline here. So I'm getting ready to do some brakes on the Hummer here today. And I was wondering why the ABS light was on. Because this wire is broken to the sensor all the way in here. I gotta take off the whole bracket and all to the brakes to get it. Here's the switch for it right here. I need some stuff to take it off. It doesn't just come out, I guess. There we go. Old and broken. We'll get that out of there. Put this, grab that. I have the new part right here, 12 bucks on Amazon's. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it little by little. When I bought this truck, no AC. Check engine light was on for a ton of stuff, and ABS lights on. I fixed this. I should take care of all the lights, new brakes, and yeah, that's it. Little by little. Trying to take this caliper off. Let me try this idea. I should look for the block. Right. Son, let's see. Let's see. Now that is a back saver. Wow. Alright, so I finally got this off. This bracket off. If you watched the video, you saw a secret on how we take those off. Then we got I believe this is a 30 T30. So we're gonna get up in here, take this sucker off, just like that. Okay, pull that sucker out. It just comes right out. It's supposed to come just right out. I'm just going to bend this up a little bit. That should give us enough room to take that out now. See that? You can always bend that back. I'm going to take these off right now. Boom. Put them right here. And just slide it through the back here. It'll fit. It'll fit. It has to fit, no? Just like that. See that? Just goes like that. Broken. Here's, okay, that's that part. I think I took the other part off, right? Alright. So we have the new part here. I'm going to go ahead and, I don't want no dirt to get in there. I'll clean around it. Just measuring it. Put it like that. I'm going to put these two back around there. Ooh, you feel that? I felt that magnet stick. Okay. So I'll just go ahead and pull this through here. And we'll get all this. Just pop it in. just like that. So I'll go ahead and put this bad boy back in. Because this is a super duty truck, heavy duty truck, it doesn't mean you can't do it too. Grab that jack, put your tool on it, and don't break your back. Save some time. I'm all done here. We're going to get this all plugged in here. And as simple as that, we are done. Okay, that goes right here. The other one goes right here. Oh, I see. I didn't take that off. So we'll take that off and put that on there. Just like that. Thanks for watching, everybody. You don't have to watch me put it all back together. I wanted to show you how this comes off, and you can do it at home with just regular tools. I tried the air tool. That one did not work. I had a better job using the jack. Hey, like and subscribe, everybody. Join me next time.